The iconic weighted companion cube, reimagined with smart RGB lighting. It all begins with the core, assembling the electronics, wiring the RGB controller, and testing Bluetooth connectivity before sealing the cube. Each part is carefully primed and hand-painted with soft airbrushed gradients and sponge weathering to capture that classic worn portal aesthetic. Then everything comes together. A 15-centimeter companion cube, glowing and ready. Control the colors and brightness right from your phone. Your companion cube, your light, your style.